Okay, here we have, let's just this open first. It's actually quite heavy, so I'm really excited about everything. Oh, look at that. That's really nice. And let's pull this out. So it comes in a very gorgeous Tiffany-like box. This is the Look Fantastic, the Beauty Egg, limited edition. Happy Easter, happy Passover, happy whatever you celebrate, and just happy spring. Let's see what's inside. So first of all, everything is full size in this box, which is great. We have a full-size Aveda Damage Remedy. I use this every day on my hair. My hair is colored, and this is great. Because my hair is short, I just apply a little amount. So this lasts me quite a long time. I'm actually just happen to be running out of my Damage Remedy, so this couldn't have come at a better time. And this is part of the reason why I ordered this Look Fantastic limited edition beauty egg, was to get another one of these. Another full size, this is a Rhodial Vitamin C Glow Toner. So this will be nice to use. Vitamin C always adds a nice glow to your face. I'll be interested to see how this toner works. This is a full-size beauty balancing oil for your face. This is a mask. This is a volumizing mask for your hair. So that will be interesting to try on as well. This is a full size. This is actually, you get quite a bit of product in here. So if you have long hair, this should be enough for quite a few uses. And if you have short hair, this should last you plenty. Here's a deep cleansing mask for your face. This is also great as well. This is something that I'm already thinking I'll probably use before I do my bi-weekly liquid peels on my face. This is another full-size product. It also comes with a full-size Elemis Collagen Eye Serum, which will be nice to use as well. I like Elemis products. And then we also have the Cica Pear by Dr. Jart. This is an amazing product. I use it every day. I'm using it right now. It just evens out your skin tone. You can actually wear it if you don't like to wear makeup, but you notice you might have some redness or unevenness in your skin. If you put this on, your skin, it literally has transformed my skin. So I'm really excited about getting another full size of these. And all in all, I'm quite happy with this box. So right now I will take you through a close-up of all of the items that you get and give you a little bit more of an idea what these items do, as well as the price point, the cost. I'll also give the cost that I paid right here and the value that Look Fantastic says that the box is worth. Please join me in a short close-up of these products. Here is the Look Fantastic limited edition beauty egg unboxing close-up. This is the Deep Cleansing Mask. This is a full size. This cleansing mask is said to give instantly clear skin, and it looks like it uses Hungarian Moor mud to nourish your skin, white clay to draw out toxins, and a very own patented healing concentrate for improved collagen and elastin production. So it's a full size, retail value, £68. Next we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. This is a full size worth £45. This reduces puffiness, and it is fortified with padina, pavonica, and blue flower linseed that helps firm the skin and better the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Just 2 drops a day is all you need. Next we have the full-size Christopher Robin Cleansing and Volumizing Paste with pure Rasool clay and rose extract. This is worth £40. It's a shampoo-like treatment, actually, that's deep cleansing and volume boosting. So it transforms from a paste-like texture into a foam. So it improves the strength and thickness of your hair, and it helps get rid of dirt as well. Excited to try that one out. Next we have the Aveda Damage Remedy. This is a full size worth 25 pounds. And this is great. Like I said, it instantly repairs and strengthens damaged hair. It's a great preventative, especially if you lighten your hair like I do. This is really great. It is enriched with quinoa protein, and users have reported a 90% reduction in hair breakage with just 1 week of use. I love it because I have short hair. This lasts me quite a bit, but it's just something, it's a cult classic that I use, and I just use it every time I shower. After I shower, I use this. Highly recommend. Next we have the full size Balance Me Radiance Face Oil. This is a retail value worth 30 pounds, and this is a full-size version. And this is a fast-absorbing formula that works to hydrate, illuminate, and target signs of aging. It's 100% natural and fortified with oils such as camellia and rosehip. So it's supposed to nourish and protect your complexion and brighten and even out your skin. Next up is the Rhodile Vitamin C Glow Tonic. It's a toner. It does have a 5% acid complex consisting of lactic, glycolic, and multi-fruit acids. So it will exfoliate your skin. It's a mild daily exfoliator to help smooth and even out your skin tone and make it look more youthful. So it does have amino acids and vitamin B to help condition and hydrate. This is a full size worth 40 pounds. This is a lot of toner. A little will go a long way. It's a great value. And finally, we have the Cicapair. It is the tiger grass color correcting treatment from Dr. Jart. And I use this product as well. Personally, I love it. This is an amazing product. It is also formulated with an SPF 30 sunscreen. It's something that you put on after you moisturize in the morning before you apply your foundation, or you can just actually wear it on its own. It's really exciting because it starts out green, but it transforms into a beige, and it really does adapt to your skin tone. The tiger grass and green pigments counteract signs of redness caused by irritation and breakouts. But as mentioned in the video part, it actually really just ends up smoothing your skin and making it look absolutely flawless. Again, this is a full size worth 40 pounds. This golden egg with all of the full size products in it, these products are worth over 280 pounds. Total cost for this limited edition beauty egg was 65 pounds, folks. This is an incredible value for everything that you get, especially if you use the products. For me, I use this product on a regular basis, as well as this product. That alone paid for itself. I'm very familiar with this Elemis brand and very excited to get a full-size eye treatment from Elemis at such a reduced price. I highly recommend this. I highly recommend the golden egg. It comes in a lovely golden egg, and I highly recommend it. Again, it's over 280 pounds worth of products for only 65 pounds.